Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel today. We're checking out the INIU Snap Go V11-E1, the latest 15-watt wireless car charger from INIU. And let me tell you, this thing is packed with features. We're talking 2 times faster QI2 certified charging, an anti-bump setup that keeps your phone secure, 7 stylish color options, and flexible installation for any car. But that's not all. To celebrate, I'm giving away a free INIU Snap Go V11-E1 to one lucky subscriber. So stick around to find out how to enter. Let's dive in and see what makes this car charger the ultimate driving companion. So, if we take a quick look at the box, I'll give you more instructions on how to enter my giveaway shortly. The back, rocking nothing much more than a few barcodes and some service and support contact options. You've got the SnapGo logo and product, Q2 certified, 3-year warranty, wireless car charger. It is magnetic as well. Bottom, we've just got some European logos, and again, nothing much on the top. On the back, here's one of my favorite ways to open boxes. Let's see if I can do this in one go. Oh, I love it when I can do that. And we can open the box. So we just pull this out here. I love the tab pull. Okay, and in the box we've got some paperwork. So we've got our INIU web shop and store. By the way, I'm going to be also giving you a discount code for the INIU store to get 20% off. I'll leave that in the description below as well as have it on the screen for you. That's going to be KLTech20. That's an exclusive discount code for viewers of KLTech videos, so bag that deal. In the box, we've got a nice braided USB-C to USB-C cable. That's really good quality, that is. I like that. Have a look at that. Very tactical feel. Lovely. You've got a standard suction cup, which we can mount this to on the windscreen if you'd like. What I really like is that it also includes an air vent connector as well, so you can actually hook this up to an air vent as well. Then we've got the SnapGo itself, and nothing else in the box. We get this out of here. And there it is. There is the SnapGo V11-E1 15-watt charger. On the back there, you can see the cooling fan. It does have a built-in cooling fan as well, so you're not going to have any major issues there. Looks like there's a little button down here for the lights. It's got a grip system as well with buttons on the sides, which actually let this get out. And it is magnetic on the front disc here as well. 15-watt charging up to on here. It's got a one-of-a-kind anti-bump setup, which is equipped with industry-first magnetic adhesion and clamp arms, which has double lock. This charger hold stays firmly in place like no other, even during speed bumps, sudden braking, and rough and bumpy roads, which is really cool. It's got up to 7 color options, although I could only see 6 on the website at the time of this review. And you've got all the standard ability to make and adjust the angles that you can use this in. You've got the USB-C connector on the bottom, and like I said, pretty much self-explanatory. The next best thing we're going to do here is get this set up in the car so that we can actually show you this thing in action. So all you've got to do is fix the back of the connector, which is looped there, for these grill style connectors, and then just basically rotate it round till you get a close to perfect seal. And if I just show you there on the back end, it just fits in just like that. When it clicks like that, that means you can't go any further back, and then that's in place. Then all you've got to do is take the SnapGo, push it on. On the back of the SnapGo, all you've got to do is just lock it in place by rotating this anti-clockwise. Make sure that's nice and tight. Pop in the USB-C connector. Seat your phone on the connector. And as you can see, it's charging a dream. Now, if you want to get your hands on one of these wireless car chargers absolutely free of charge, I'm running my first ever giveaway. As I said at the beginning, INIU have supplied both of these to me free of charge, one for me to review and one to give away to you fine viewers. And all you have to do is like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it on one of your social media profiles, and fill out the giveaway form on my website, which you can find at kltechvideos.co.uk. All links in the description below, and I'll announce the winner on the 31st of May 2025, the end of this month. You just go through the form, make sure you agree to the terms and conditions there. We don't give your information out to anybody, and all your data is completely and utterly deleted 100% at the end of the competition time period. Oh, and by the way, the most important part probably is, don't forget the secret code that was here earlier on in the video. Now, if you've watched the whole video, you'll know exactly what the code is, and you will need to put that into the giveaway website just to add that as part of the terms and conditions there. So make sure you're using that secret code that is in this video. It is somewhere in the video. Make sure you've watched the whole video and you will be able to get that charger. There's one to give away. It'll be given away completely random, and I hope you win. If you're unlucky or you can't wait and you would like to get your hands on this now, you don't have to pay the full price. If you use the coupon code KLTech20, you can bag yourself 20% off INIU products, including this charger. You can go to the official website, all links in the description, and get yourself 20% off this product right now. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.